Hey gems, in this video I'll be showing you how I did this quick and easy hairstyle using my Outre Springy Twist. You can actually use any type of crochet here. I simply took a hair bow, hair tie, and I am just in a way crocheting the hair, as you can see here, onto the hair tie. I decided to do this because I did not want to put a million spring twists throughout my head, and I didn't want to buy any, but I did have some prepackaged spring twists that I did a while ago on my hair in a crochet hairstyle, and I was like, I can use this. So I grabbed a hair tie and I came up with this idea. It is so easy. It literally took me about 10 minutes to do, and I was done. I love wearing this hairstyle because it was quick and easy. If I didn't want to have anything on top of my head, I can remove it. So doing this is such a good thing. Like, instead of buying a drawstring, which they do not sell or I haven't came across, this is the perfect way to reuse or use crochet hair when you don't want to actually crochet it into your hair. Later on throughout the video, I will show you how I added this to my hairstyle and how simple and easy and quick it was. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow me on all my platforms, Gemma Gem and Gem on TikTok and Pinterest, Slayed by Gemma, Facebook and Instagram. And again, make sure you like, give me a thumbs up, comment if you've done this before or if you're going to do this. It really makes everything just go so smoothly. You literally can do this with just about any crochet hair, like I said before. Make sure you stay tuned to see how I added this to my hair. Now that I've completed my updo hairstyle that I've done with my natural hair and I've completed the crocheting, I am now using that hair tie and I am tying it around my ponytail. If you want to see the video on how I made this updo, I have something similar, a video similar to this. I will tag at the end of this video, or I can post it. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show how I did the twist for this ponytail. But I've attached it. Now I'm taking a couple twists and I'm wrapping it around the base and just fitting it on the way that I want. It's secured. It's not going to come off. Make sure you have some hairpins set aside and a hair tie, because I will be using that to anchor down these twists that I am wrapping around my ponytail base. As you can see right here, I am pinning it in place. You want to make sure it's secure and it's not going to come off. It's not going to come off anyway because you use the hair tie, but you just want to make sure with the hairpins and pin that hair down. I'm going to do a twirl around so you guys just can see how it looks. By me twisting my natural hair, it gives the illusion because these twists match my natural hair. Of course, you can see a little shorter pieces, but you can also disguise that. I am going for a bun as you see me forming right here. I also have some hair ties and hairpins around just for this as well. I wanted to do a bun just so I didn't have to worry about just any hair on my neck. So you can see I'm using this hair tie and I'm securing my bun, and then you're going to tuck in place. I really love this hairstyle. It was so easy breezy, get up and go. I could take it off when I wanted to, put it back on. I did take it off almost every other night just because I like to be free. And I'm going to be laying these edges. As you can see, I got the extreme gel. But I love this hairstyle. If you want something that's easy, that's lightweight, that's not hurting your neck, make you a bun like this. This lasted as long as my base lasted, which was like 2-3 weeks. I loved it. Do this hairstyle, ladies. You'll love it. If you're a naturalista or you just want to wear your natural hair, this is great to give the illusion. The hair that I use is twisted up. I twisted these twists handmade and then I crocheted on like I showed you in the beginning. I made these twists along up way before a spring twist existed in the store. So yeah, get you some twisted up or use crochet. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video and I'll see you in the next one. Your girl is going to be feeling herself.